Hey Hal, what's up? I don't know, Red. I just feel very lonely and forgotten. I mean, I was never in any of the Angry Birds tunes, and I just need someone to love me. Well, there's Stella. She's with Chuck, remember? How about Matilda? She's with Bomb, and is she even a she? Um...
Shut up!
God, I hate Justin Bieber. He's just so annoying. Well, Red, be glad that it wasn't. Oh, come on, Hal. Cheer up. You'll find someone. Besides, you're not all that forgotten. I mean, you're visible in 2 scenes for the trailer of the Angry Birds movie. 2 scenes without a voice. Nice try, Red, but I'm too ugly for anyone to like me.